boys and girls. Today we're going to be looking at triangles. Now triangles are really cool because you can look at triangles and see different kinds of triangles. Not all triangles are the same. So today I'm going to be looking at some of the attributes and characteristics of triangles. And we're going to start by looking at sides. Now if a triangle has three sides that are all the same length, like this one right here, this is called an equilateral triangle because all three sides are equal. That's a great way to remember this. So if you look carefully, all three sides of this triangle are equal. Now, another type of triangle is called an isosceles triangle. It's kind of a tricky one. Isosceles. That is when you have a triangle and you have two sides that are the same length, but the third side is longer or shorter. That is an isosceles triangle. Now the third type of triangle is called a scalene triangle. And if you look here, you can see that all three sides are different lengths. None of them are the same. That's a scalene triangle when all three sides are different lengths. All right? So those are some great categories that we can put triangles in. So now I want to switch a little bit and I want to look at angles because there are three different types of angles in a triangle that you can look for. So the first type, if you look at this triangle right here, is called an acute angle. That is another word or another way to think about a small angle. So if you look right here, this is a really small angle. It's not very big. You can think about this as, oh, acute angle. Okay, now the second type of angle that we're going to be looking at is a right angle. A right angle is 90 degrees. And a good way to think about this is it kind of looks like a square, part of a square. So if you can see this line going straight up and this line going straight across, you can know that this is a right angle. It's 90 degrees. Now, the third type of angle is called an obtuse angle. An obtuse angle means big, and if you look right here, you can see that this angle is very, very large. Now, an obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees. So that's a great way that you can think about that. So one more time, those angles. Acute, if it's really, really, really small, it's less than 90 degrees. A right angle, if it's exactly 90 degrees, it kind of looks like the corner of a square. Or an obtuse angle, which is greater than 90 degrees. So what I'd like you to do is this week, look at your action items and think of a way or look at one of those ways where you can show me how you understand these different attributes of triangles.